Hi, Miss Ellen DeGeneres. This is my second video, and now I would like to say happy Educators Day to all the teachers around the world. Uh, Ellen DeGeneres, I am your number one fan here in the Philippines, and this is my second video in YouTube. Ellen DeGeneres, uh, every episode or every uh, videos uploaded in YouTube every hours, every minute, every second, every day, in every vacant in my time. I watch you in YouTube in every episode. Last year, a Filipino YouTube sensation, uh, two boys, a young boy from the Philippines, from the Jinsan city in Mindanao, um, Aldrich Talonding and James Bokong. They are you invited them to your show, and I'm very appreciate it because you are a very nice person, a good person, and a model person in the world. And I'm proud to say I am your number one fan here in Davao City in the Philippines. And because of that, I'm so happy, and I'm glad to say that everybody recognize you as one of the most popular or famous people in your country, not only in your country, all over in the world. And because of that, I have a song for you, and I hope you like it. This is what we call "I Will Be Here for You," the continue to be continued of my last video in as uh, part of my recognize you and my message to you. I hope you like it. "I Will Be Here for You" by Michael Smith, and this is my own version. When you feel the sunlight fade into the cold night, I don't know where to turn, and I don't know where to turn. And all the dreams you're dreaming seem to lose their meaning. Let me in your world, baby, let me in your world. And all you need is someone you can hold. Don't be sad, you're not alone. I will be here for you. Somewhere when the night, somewhere when the night, I'll shine a light for you. Somewhere when the night, and I'll be standing by. I will be here for you. In this world of strangers, of cold and friendly faces, there's someone you can trust. Oh, there's someone you can trust. And I'll be your shelter. I'll give you my shoulder. Just reach out for my love. Reach out for my love. Oh, call my name in my Holy Spirit. I will be there. There's nothing to fear. I will be here for you. Somewhere when tonight, and I'll be standing by. I will be here for you. We love you, Ellen. I am your number one fan here in the Philippines, Davao City. I love you. Happy Educators Day.